dividing polynomials, guys. So we're getting into, into it, deeply into it. All right. So now we're dividing polynomials here, ladies and gentlemen. So we have 8m to the fourth power minus 6m to the third power minus m to the second power divided by 2m to the second power. All right. So how do we deal with this, such problems here? So the best thing to do, ladies and gentlemen, is just to split each of the terms over 2m to the second power. That's the key. That's the secret, on this one. So that's 8m to the fourth over 2m to the second minus 6m to the third over 2m to the second. Then minus m to the second over 2m to the second. That's it. Split it up. Okay? So now, what's happening, so now you can deal with them, the coefficients separately from the variable. So 8 divided by 2 is going to give us what? 4, right? So 8 divided by 2 is going to give us 4. And then m to the fourth divided by m to the second. All right, so it's m. So we move the lowest power to the largest power. Okay? See, in this class here, this is what we do. We move the lowest power to the largest power, right? So that would be 4. And then once it moves from the bottom up, so the 2 becomes negative, okay? Anytime you move either from top to the bottom or bottom to the top, the sign changes automatically. So if it's a negative 2 and then it's moving up, it becomes positive 2, all right? So this is what we have so far. And then minus what's going to happen here. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. We all know how to do that. And then this one is m3 minus 2. And last but not least, now what's happening here, you have m2 and m power 2. You don't even need to move them, okay? Because if you move them, it's going to be 2 minus 2, which is going to give you 0. And m to the power 0 is going to give you 1. But you don't even need to do that. So cross it out. But if you cross it out, what's happening on the top? There will be 1 left on the top. So that would be negative 1 over 2. We're good? And then we have 4. Then m4 minus 2 is going to give us what? 2. Okay? Minus 3. Then m to the first power. Or just m1. Or we don't need to put the 1, right? Then minus 1 over 2. Anything else that we can add, subtract, divide, multiply? No. Because all these terms are different terms. This one is m squared, which is different than m power 1, or just m, minus a half, which is just a number, a regular number that we know. And this will be your final answer. All right? So let's go to the second one here. So now we have 25m to the fifth power times n minus 10m to the fourth power times n plus 15m to the third power times n over 5 times m to the third power times n as well. So how do we deal with this one now? Okay, so we go ahead and then this one is equal to, now we're going to split them up. Okay, splitting them up means we have 25 m to the fifth n over n m to the third n. We good? Minus 10 m to the fourth n over 5m to the third n. Plus, we have 15 m to the third n over 5m to the third n. You see what's happening here? All right? So take it one at a time, and then we're breaking it down. Okay? So as we get this, what's then happening? So now 25 divided by 5 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 5. And then like we did before, we move the lowest power to the largest one. So that means we have m5 minus 3. And then what happens to n and n? We can cross it out. All right, we good? And then in this case, so that's minus 10 divided by 5, which is 2. And then it's m4 minus 3, and n out in this case also. And then plus 15 divided by 5, which is 3. Then m3, and n out. This is what we have so far. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we have 5m what? To the second power. 5 minus 3 is 2. Minus 2m to the first power, right? Or just m, okay? You don't need a 1. And then plus 3. Can we add or subtract anything here? No. Can we divide and do anything? No. So this is my final answer. And we are done. Okay, you see, it's not that difficult. Once we look at it first, it looks a bit scary. But as we take it, we take our time, we move down one at a time, and then we see that we end up like this. All right? Thank you.